The two-story Vieux-Fort Magistrate Court, which underwent renovations in 2019, has experienced a series of closures due to persistent health and safety concerns. Located on Commercial Street in Vieux-Fort, the building was shut down roughly 1 week after its reopening. Between 2019 and 2022, it faced 3 separate closures for similar issues.
Reports indicate that a few years ago, staff at the magistrate court were compelled to work reduced hours due to these circumstances, with some employees reporting symptoms such as itchy skin and nausea, highlighting the severity of the situation. Senator Deale Lee stressed the urgent need to tackle this issue, pointing out that the judiciary is severely under-resourced and requires immediate intervention.
Sadly, the judiciary is severely under-resourced, both in terms of staffing, in terms of physical premises, in terms of a lot of aspects. I think it's sadly one of the areas that has not been given the amount of attention that it deserves. The fact that you point out that the Vieux-Fort Magistrates Court has been closed for a significant period of time, the fact that the Dennery Court has also been closed for a significant period of time, you have to go to board late to have matters, I think is completely unsatisfactory. And I'm hoping that further attention can be paid.
The repeated closures have led to a significant backlog of cases, complicating police work and necessitating the relocation of court proceedings. Senator Lee further emphasized that magistrate courts are crucial as they handle the majority of civil and criminal cases, including minor matters, and serve as the starting point of the legal process for most individuals.
That is where the legal process begins for most persons, whether it be civil or criminal. That is where the most minor matters are dealt with, and that is where the bulk of the work lies. So some attention definitely needs to be paid to those locations, and even where some of the locations are still operative, I think they're not fit for purpose because the population has grown, the demands on the magistrate has grown significantly.
The senator highlighted the need for specialized facilities for magistrate courts, insisting that attention must be directed towards this issue.
You need specialized facilities for these courts. So I'm hoping that some attention can be paid to them. I know this is supposed to be the year of infrastructure, and I'm hoping that part of that will be additional court infrastructure.
Additionally, the senator addressed the long-standing issues surrounding the Hall of Justice in Castries, including ongoing attempts to renovate it. While acknowledging challenges such as limited parking, he noted that its central location is ideal for addressing the judiciary's growing needs.
I've been an attorney now for 25 years. We've been attempting to get a new law court from before I became an attorney. So obviously this is a long outstanding project. I'm quite happy with the location because, again, Castries is our capital city. The courts have sat in Castries from time immemorial. It's easily accessible from everybody. I know there have been complaints about parking, but again, parking is only one aspect of things. It is a centralized location. You have public transports of all areas giving you access to Castries. It will accommodate all the courts that we have sitting in Castries for now, with some room for expansion, and I'm hoping that it can be proceeded with due haste.
He remains optimistic that the necessary renovations will be completed in due course. Chloe Dantes, NBC Prime.